Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, just like many of you, you buy something and you really like it, but you just outgrow it. Right here I have the VERSASTACK tool chest, rolling tool chest. Served me well, but I got too much stuff to go in here. So let me show you my solution. And while you're waiting, I got a free tool giveaway. So stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll show you the tool I'm going to be giving away, and I'm going to tell you how you can have a chance to win this free tool. So let me rearrange the camera, pull out my solution to this, and I'll be right back with you. Okay folks, here is the new Craftsman TRADESTACK, which is the big brother of the VERSASTACK that I just showed you. Now this isn't really new, it's been out about a year or so, and I've been looking at these for a while, and I finally pulled the trigger and bought some of these. Now, I paid about $20 too much. I just found out that these were on sale for $149. And I paid $169, but right now it is what it is. Craftsman TRADESTACK. There we go. A lot bigger than what I previously had. Okay, I already took off the bands, so I'm going to lower the handle. We'll go over that in just 1 second. Lower the handle. And I'm going to open the top lid, the smaller compartment, and it comes with 6 little dividing compartments. Okay, the dimensions on these are from top to bottom with the lid 3 3/4 tall by total width with the lid is 4.5 by just under 3.5. Range in here very nicely. You see, it has this. What's the number rating on this? IP65, I believe, 85. Just 1 second here. Let me grab this paper right here. Of course, it doesn't say on here. Oh, IP65. Here it is. IP65 rubber gasket going all the way around. Now I don't plan on using this outdoors, so I'm not going to do a test on it for rain, but pretty nice. Inside dimensions at the widest spot, just over 10 3/4 by the widest spot, just over 20 inches, and it is about 4 1/4, 4 1/8 inches deep, and these will not move around as you're carrying this. Let me lock this up and I'll show you. So, those will not move around. They'll stay put. So that's pretty nice. Let me close this up. Now the way to separate these from each other has this push lock right here. So you just push this red button down, it lifts right off. And one thing about this system, it will stand up on the end. Let's see if that's in front. Yep. Some of these systems will not stand up in this position, but this one does with no problem. Okay, I showed you the red unhook or unlock button to put it in. You have these two tabs in the back, open tabs, and you just put it on top. That's it. It's locked in there. So let's look at this middle compartment. The middle one and the bottom one, no, just the middle one, has a carry handle on top if you need to do that. This one should, the smaller one should have a carry handle, but it doesn't. But it is what it is, right? Inside, you have a carry tray, and the overall dimensions from widest point this way is just over 11 inches. This way, just under 20, and deep, it is right at 10 inches. I'm giving you estimates on here. They're not exact measurements, but it's pretty close. Now you'll notice on this one, it has these where the sides go in right here. That's going to take off less room on your interior measurements, and those are for carrying handles. So that's pretty sweet. Let me lock this back up, just what I want to do for right now. And this bottom one, get that out of the way. Move over there. Bottom one, open this one up, and it also has a carry tray just like the medium box. Overall dimensions, here, still has the rubber gasket going all the way around. Inside is going to be the same as the other two, but the depth is approximately 13.5 inches. Okay, when you have the handle right here, red button, push in the red button. Well, come on now. Let's see here. Push in the red button, the handle comes up. The red button has to be down to open the latches on the bigger compartments. Right here in the back has like a foot step you can hold on to pull back. Makes it easier to tilt it back. I don't have a cord or extension cord handy, but right here it has a place where you can wrap around your cord. Up here on top, place to put your tape measure. If you want to do that, right here in the center, just hang it right there. That's a nice feature. The wheels are rubber coated on plastic, and total outside diameter is 7 inches. So, like I said earlier, I'm going to be using this indoors most of the time. Oh, one more thing. The main reason why I purchased this system, in the lid of the lower compartment, it has this right here. You can pull this out, close it back up. Let me grab this medium right here. Lock that in top. We'll take this large, lock that in. So we're going to take this tray and we're going to put it in right here. Maybe it goes this way. There we go. Lock that tray in. And like I said, this is the big brother of the VERSASTACK, so I can get one of these VERSASTACK containers. Granted, you have to use this adapter plate, but this VERSASTACK container will mount on here. If I can figure out how to do it. This is the first time I've done it, so oh, here we go. Has these two latches right here on the side, just like on the VERSASTACK. So just line this up, connect those two locking handles, and you are set. There we go. So this is connected. Now granted, it's not meant to be carried with this. It's just a connector so you can roll it around. So that is the reason I bought the TRADESTACK, because it's compatible with the VERSASTACK, and I was told that you can add the DeWalt T-Stack with this system. Okay, let me unlock these. What I am going to use this for, my VERSASTACK, I have outgrown it. This is full of, there we go, there's this one. It locks on just the same way as the last one I just showed you. Let's see here. There we go, that's locked in, that's locked in. These are full of airbrush material. One of them has just doodads. This one has projects I'm working on. Just different airbrush material for what I bought the airbrush mainly for. But I'm going to transfer small to small, medium to medium, large to large, because ran across this. I bought all this extra airbrush material for just $4 or $5 at a yard sale. It came with 3 air guns, all kinds of little bottles, all kinds of stuff. But anyway, that is my goal, is transferring my airbrush to these bigger containers. My airbrush and their accessories. Now I can see this being used for many, many, many different things. Quilters, sewers, wood carvers, just whatever. This is going to be a great system for me. Well, like I said, I bought this TRADESTACK because it was compatible with the cheaper but a little bit smaller VERSASTACK. Both made by Craftsman, both sold by Lowe's. So, check it out. Just 1 second, let me show you something right here. Okay, here we go, I'm back. I bought these at Walmart. Hart brand, only sold at Walmart. Made by TTI, which makes several different tools nowadays. I'm going to give this away. I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to send it to a lucky winner. I'm going to use a software program to randomly select somebody. Now the rules are, you have to be a subscriber and you have to leave a comment on this video. So when this video that you're watching gets, let's just say 35 comments. When it gets 35 comments, I'm going to have a drawing and send this to one of you that is a subscriber and leaves a comment on this video. Won't cost you anything. I'm paying all the shipping. All you got to do is just spend 5 or 10 seconds. Anyway, my name is Carl, and I do